And we're back.
And welcome back.
Hey, what are we opening?
Pokemon cards.
That's right, Pokemon cards. We're going to crack open a box of Vivid Voltage because we're looking for a Pikachu. What else do we want?
A motor dinosaur.
Okay, yeah, we also want a motor dinosaur. I think that would be really cool to pull a motor dinosaur out of here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if they got those in here.
Yeah.
All right, motor dinosaur, here we come. Here, Harper.
No, is it this one? This one?
It is those. That's it, right
Daddy,
there.
I got yours.
Okay, let's start with that one.
Here's yours.
Okay, baby. Do you got that, or do you need Daddy to open it for you?
I got it. I can get it.
That's cool.
I'm trying to open it.
You get there? No?
Can't. You're not opening it.
Here, why don't you go through these and show them what we got? Ooh, what is it? It's a whale, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
A second pack
my God.
and she pulled the pack. She pulled
Straight
two
out of the
packs
box.
straight out of the box and cracked the
my
Pikachu.
God.
Oh my
There it
God.
Look what you pulled, baby.
Look it.
That's even cooler. Harper, do you realize
Good
you
job.
picked two packs out of that box and this was what you got? Give me a high five. Good job.
Better than the Italian.
Better than the Italian revised starter, that's
Just
for
paid
sure.
for that loss.
Well, that's beautiful. We did well. All right, we're going to call it a night.
Dad, look
I'm just kidding.
Dad, my foot.
Oh, it's like sparkling.
It's that rainbow, man. Yo, it's got that rainbow on it, bro.
God, bruh.
Like all sorts of rainbows.
Oh,
my God,
God,
it's so
bruh.
shiny.
No,